Hey, hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a very healthy and nutritious recipe which is full of iron, vitamin C and calcium. It's very good for children and even for all type of age people. So let us start this recipe. Even this recipe or these chocolates you can have in the winter season. They are very healthy and they are done from the edible gum. One bowl edible gum. We called it as gond in Hindi. One bowl jaggery. One bowl dry coconut and half bowl dry fruits. These are all mixed dry fruits. And 2 tablespoon poppy seeds and 3 tablespoon ghee. This will keep 3 bowl of water for boiling, and after that take 1 tablespoon of ghee. In this 1 tablespoon of ghee add edible gum. Now this edible gum, it has completely, we have fried out this completely. Now I will add 3 bowl of boiled water in it. Now I added this 3 bowl of boiling water in this edible gum. Now this edible gum should melt in this water, and after that we are going to add jaggery in it. Now as you can see, the whole edible gum has already melted in this water. Now we'll add jaggery in this one bowl of jaggery. Again we have to melt this jaggery in this edible gum and water. Let it melt, and after that we are going to add ghee in it. That 1 tablespoon leftover ghee will add in this. See, I will add this ghee in it. This recipe will be very delicious and healthy one. This one is good for kids and even for the old people. Even for the people who are weak. Because edible gum is very good for our health. Now I will add dry coconut, 1 bowl of dry coconut. After that we are going to add all these dry fruits. Let it cook, and the consistency should be like jam. And after 5 minutes we are going to add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds in it, and we'll keep 2 tablespoons of poppy seed for decoration. See, this one is cooking now. It should be very thick. The consistency should be like jam. Let it cook for 10 minutes, then we'll see the result. Now I will switch off the gas and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. After that we will transfer it to the mold. Okay, after 15 minutes it has cooled down. Now I will transfer this to the mold and I will keep it for 1 hour in the fridge. Poppy seeds. I will be keeping this one in a fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour I took this mold out, and I will be serving these chocolates now.